I took a quick trip down to my Dollar Tree and another Dollar Tree to see what they had in for fall because I was determined to find fall stuff. They have a lot of the table settings that we saw throughout the year, but they have bits and pieces at this Dollar Tree right here. But they have some fall pieces. They have the sunflower sets. They have the marble set. They have it all. They're starting to put out a lot of the back to school stuff here in New York. We don't start to September. I like that gold letter organizer though, and then they have these pretty iridescent ones too, if you like. They have the caddies, so a lot of things to organize the class, to organize the kids. They have these in small sizes right here, and you can just see just a ton of school supplies that you need. They have pens, they have highlighters, they have the crayons in all kind of different sizes and like funky colors. They have just everything you need right now. They have glue. They have the little containers to organize these little pencil cases. I think are cute, and they have the hinge on the top so you don't lose the top, which is great. And then they're like a metal, so they're hard, so they won't get all squished up in there. They have these in a little set of three, and you can see they have little clips. I think you might clip them together so you can keep them like lined up. They have these right here, so food storage. So they have these right here with the ventilation top, and then these I think are great because you put the top in the freezer so it gets cold, so you can keep the things cold. So they have that in a circle and in like a rectangle like shape. They have things to organize and decorate your locker and stuff like that for the kids who have lockers. Just a ton of stuff right now at Dollar Tree. This right here is a hole puncher. So it's a ruler, it's a hole puncher all in one. They have regular rulers, they have the scissor sets. They have cute little hair bows and hair clips and ties for the kids. So they have you see the little cat headbands with the little glitter and stuff in them. They have these little stickers. So these are nail polish stickers. They have the eyelashes and all that stuff too. They have the chrome sets. Dollar Tree is just packed right now with so many good things. They have combs for the kids with these are cute. So these are the little elastic bands, but they're shaped like stars. They have little furry clips. Just so many cute things right now at Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of great storage and fun colors right now. They have neutral colors too if you don't want the bright colors. I'm still trying to figure out what these are, but they have those if you know what they are and you need to use them. But they have, like I said, a lot of the storage options in the fun, like bright colors, and then they have them in neutral colors to grab right now. And these are all $1.25. They have this right here I thought was so cute. So those little pieces on the side, you put the paint in those. So it's like a paint tray. I thought that was cute. And it comes in different colors. They have these right here. So the little rings you put in the binder, and then you can organize the pencils and stuff. They have the sheet protectors. This is a 16 pack for $1.25. These right here I like because they have the extra zipper, so you can get an extra compartment in those. They have the Crayola ones, you can see in a bunch of the nice bright Crayola colors. They have notebooks, they have planners, so the kids could organize and stuff for the season, so that sports activities, all kind of different things. They have a little phone book because if your kid is like mine and her phone is always dying, I used to have her write my number until she remembered it on the back of her phone. But they have the academic planners and stuff for the kids. Yeah, so just so many things right now to help get organized, to get ready for school. If you're down south, I think is school starting already? Did school start already? But school's probably starting soon if it hasn't started already. They have the lunch boxes, and these have the little installation in it, and they have them in solids and prints, and you can see more of the organizational stuff from the pretty laundry baskets, just all kind of different stuff. They have these right here for the locker. They have a magnet, so you can put the little stuff in there. You can see what it is because it's clear in the front. Those little caddies, those are good for like movie nights and drinks too. You can hold drinks in those too. Just a ton of great things right now at Dollar Tree. These are my favorite color in the organizational things, like those clear ones right there. The blue is just like a bluish green. It's just really pretty. They have more planners, like I said, and you can grab these for yourself if you're not in school. Just right now is the time to grab your planners. They have journal stuff. They just have a bunch of stuff. They have the full decor and craft items. They're starting to put out this little garland right here, so you get about that much on it. but the leaves are really pretty. You can get that one with like the glitter like leaves in it. These three, this set of three is always great to grab. So it's three different rings. The crab section here was a little messy, but I just wanted to show you some cute things. These right here have little lights in the middle, so you can decorate them, you can paint them, you can stain them, you can do whatever, but they have little lights in the middle. So when you're done, you can just pop that little light on and it just light up. I think that is cute for $1.25. Not bad. A bunch of the other crafting supplies that they always have. I love these because they have the little bead hook up top. I love these right here because I used to use the foam dice. So I love those. Those are little wood blocks and they have the curved edge. Really weird. I thought they're still putting out, they have boxes, you can see, of summer stuff that they're still putting out. So they're putting out fall, but they still have boxes of the summer stuff that they are unloading. So I just thought that was interesting. So they still do have summer items. These signs I think are so pretty. They have other signs too that you can grab for the summer if you're still looking, because we still do have the rest of July and we have August for the summer. So yeah, you can still grab some summer stuff at Dollar Tree. And my Dollar Tree has a bit of it. And then they put out random Easter stuff. I think sometimes they just find things in the back and they just put them out. They still have 4th of July, like patriotic decor out right now. They have, these are the some of the planners and the calendars and different things. You can see these have like little post-its, but they have journal inserts too if you can find them. They have those at Dollar Tree. They have the little small pocketbook planners that you can just pop in your pocketbook and you can carry along with you. They have the toys for the kids. I think these are cute. So it's a little mini basketball hoop so they can play the games. They have just a bunch of stuff still for the kids out right now. These little candles are cute. I think these are leftovers from Mother's Day though. They have these little cute ones. These are little acorns. So these are candles. So you can burn those. So they had those in those two colors at my Dollar Tree right now. And then, okay, so they have these little scents right here. And I'm wondering if you can use these with this. They have this little candle making set. So $1.25 and you can make your own candles. I know a lot of people melt down the other candles and just make them, but they have a little set now. They have, of course, the little candle holders. These are great to grab. I like the circle ones because I use the circle base on those, but they have the triangle shaped ones right now. But they always have a good amount of fun candle holders, different shapes, different sizes, different colors. The peel and stick paper, if you like, these two are my favorite. I like that wood one too, but they have a lot of great options that you can grab. Metal signs, they have a ton of those. So they have smile, they have these, right, that's not metal, that's like the other one though, but they have hello, things for the first day of school. So the kid signs, they have those back out right now. They have these little signage, so that one is like that. And then they have these in a bunch of different words, different colors. You just got to be careful with the little faux greenery on there. These I think would be great for trinket baskets. So they had these in these two colors at my Dollar Tree right now. See, this is more of those little signs. This one was scuffed up. That's not how it looks when you get it, so yours shouldn't look like that. They still have some of the wedding items left out that you can grab. They have still some of the sports items out right now that you can grab, and this will change based on your state. We're in New York. More of the first day signs, so this one is just like a little simpler. They have these right here. These are supposed to be like in the back to school section. The little organizers. These are great. You see how many compartments come in those, and they have the little pieces, so you can put those on their pegboard so you can hang those directly on your wall. These would be great for the kids to put their IDs on so they don't lose them, because they're retractable. They can clip them. Just a lot of little cute tech stuff the kids could use for back to school, I think, at least. They have a ton of cute post-it notes right now. So these are cute little sets of post-it notes, and you see that you get two different ones, or you can get regular shaped ones. I thought the box for the staples was really cute right now. These in the craft section, I love these. So you get a bunch of little pieces of paper, and you can just do so many cute little things with those. If you see those in your craft, you might want to grab those. They still have barbecue items out right now. And then in the beauty section, they're coming out with so many nice new serums and stuff like that. They also have this new set right here. Okay, so this one's collagen. It comes with a bunch of different stuff. They didn't have all the pieces right here, but it's like face soap, serum, serums, all kind of different things. I grabbed both of the sets, the vitamin C and the serum, before when I saw them. But yeah, those are great. They have some nice little bath stuff, soaps and bath bombs, but that was nice. They have bath salts. So if you want to grab some of those, they have the bath salts. So especially if you love self-care days, spa-like days, you can grab these things. I'm going to show way too many soaps, but I like soaps. And so they had the charcoal, they have the lavender, they have peppermint, they have shea buttermilk. They have, and these are two different brands. They have the cocoa butter, they have the English lavender, they have hemp seed oil, just so many different things. These, I love these for DIYs. You can make like a high-end looking box, like a restoration hardware decor box with these pieces. So grab those when you see those. I've done it on my DIY channel. Mugs, I love mugs. So they have some cute little new mugs out right now that you can grab. Stop Dreaming, Start Doing. I love that one. I think they might have had that one before. Whiskey for like your bar area. They have things, like I said, for bridal showers, for parties, different things like that. So they have these cute little shot glasses. And these, they kind of stay out all year, but then they don't. But they definitely bring them out right now for like bridal season. They brought back out the fall cups. They still have some graduation things. I think these might be left over from Father's Day. These are cute. So if you can do like the little stripes and the nail art without having to worry about, making it yourself. Beauty finds, like I said, they're coming out with so many great beauty things. These are the heads for the electrical brush to change. So they have the different types, or you can just get the regular one right there and just do it yourself, but then you won't have the interchangeable heads. This I love because you can organize your makeup brushes and stuff like that with those. They still have a lot of the infused oil products. So just a ton of great beauty finds right now at Dollar Tree. These tote bags I thought were cute. So they have a lot of different ones. They have ones for kids, adults, all kind of different things. And then, like I said, the fall type stuff, they have the little faux florals. They even have little faux potted pieces, which I thought were cute. This Dollar Tree had the whole marble set displayed out, so they had all of the pieces, and then they had it paired with the silver charger plate, and then like the margarita glasses and stuff. But yeah, you can grab the dish sets right now. These fall decor pieces, so cute. $1.25, not bad at all. So they have these cute little signage, blessed and thankful, these right here, so cute. And then the other pieces raised on top. They have these signs right here. These were so pretty. I thought they were so pretty. You can add some words to those if you want. They have just regular ones, they have leaf ones, they have these, so they supposed to look like little pumpkins, but then they have little signage and they have the little bow. Then they have these that look like pumpkins, and then they have like the little faux leather detail in the front. They have an acorn one too. Just so many cute decor pieces for $1.25, not bad. They have the little fabric pumpkins in the little plaid print right there. They have these cute little gnomes. They have them in other colors too if you want to grab. This right here I thought was cute. So it is a loofah, but it goes long, so you can get your back and stuff like that. And then they have the other stuff that they always have. This was cracked, but they do have some cute little pencil cases. But just know it might crack on you. They have the highlighters. But yeah, just a bunch of great back to school stuff at Dollar Tree right now. More cute fall stuff. So they have these little signs. They have these I think are so cute. So it's like the rolling pin, but these are flat, so you can put them up like little signage. And they had two different ones. Those are cute. These little stacked pumpkins right here, and you can see those came in different colors. The little pillows we saw before. This little ring with the little acorn bells. These little signs, again, they're supposed to like little pumpkins and stuff. This is a little pumpkin right here, just a bunch of pumpkin stuff. These little animals they have things for football lovers, sport lovers. That's like a little jug, so like you put that in your bar station if you decorate for the holidays. More cute gnomes in different colors. They have put out some Halloween decor stuff. So a lot of these are like for crafty things. So if you want to craft and make some things for yourself, they have a lot of those. They have the ribbon, and you can see they have a bunch of different ones. They have the pumpkins in the pack of 4. They have little bones in the pack of 2. They have little berries. These little brooms, they come in a pack too, and you can see they had 3 different colors in those. They have bows, they have bats, they have the ornaments. I didn't see the trees though, but they have the ornaments for the trees. These little witches, I loved them last year. They like laugh and then they light up. They're so cute. They have this little garland, and you can see just cute little details in it. They have bags of petals for Halloween. They have the witch hats, like they have this little eek sign right here, so you can paint this and do this however you want. Just a bunch of fun stuff right now for Halloween. And this is just what they've put out just for right now at my Dollar Tree. These come in a pack of 2, so you'll get 2 different signs in each pack. So they have that one, they have this one right here, and then they have this one right here. And these all come in a pack of 2, so you'll get 2 different signs in those packs. They have the little wood packs right here, so you get a pack of 8 like the cats. They have that big boo sign. They have the other signs. They have the lights. This one right here is a projector, so you can project things. They have those skeletons, just so many cute things. They have lanterns, they have the string lights, they have the metal pieces, they have, just like I said, a lot of these are like crafty things, but you can grab all of those. They have more fall florals that you can grab in little bushels, and you can see they have all kind of different ones that you can grab, from leaves to different things. They have the little bales of hay, so if you're doing something cute with those. And then they have a bigger one. They have the wreath forms, the leaf and the football, just everything right now. And like I said, they have the journal inserts and stuff, so you can see those there. But then they have the ones that you can just grab. They don't have the actual hard journal where you would put the inserts in, but if you already have one, you can just grab that. Just so many nice things right now at Dollar Tree to help you. You can see they even have guided journals, just everything. These are always my favorite craft pieces, so you can grab these right here because they're neutral, so you can do so many different things with it. So they have the blocks, they come in different colors. This is not a craft piece, this is already a done sign, but they had it there. These little wood pieces, love those. You see they come in 3 different shapes. So they have the circle, they have like that oval, and then they have like a rectangle one. These are cute because they have the little hooks on it. So you can grab those right there. More florals. I'm obsessed with the fall florals. Like, it looks so pretty right now. But you can see they have all different types. And the thing I think is, I like worry that they're gonna go fast, because sometimes they'll put them out early like this and then they go fast. You see these have the little pumpkins on it in 2 different colors. You can just make so many pretty centerpieces, wreaths. You can make so many pretty things with these pieces right now. So if you are going to be doing that this fall, I would advise, once your Dollar Tree puts them out, to grab them as soon as possible. You can see those pretty metallic leaves, but you could just make so many pretty centerpieces and stuff. These organizational pieces, I don't know if we saw these last time, but these are all different compartments. So you can take these out of that big one and you can organize like your drawers and stuff. They started putting out the little placemats for the fall. Those are cute. And then these little glass trivets, I think these are great. So they come in a circle and then they come in a square. So they had that little truck one there, like you were on like the vineyard. They have the thankful and blessed one, and that one comes in the circle and in the square too. And then they have this, the live simple, and they have the towels and stuff that go with that, so you can organize and make like a whole little set. And then they still have the plain ones too, like the glass ones. These little fall pieces, so these are little small fall pumpkins, the signs for the yard, the little metal signs. They have those in different colors. They have the cute little gnome one right there. They have these cute little pumpkin ones, and you can see the little details in the middle. It's like a little wording. So yeah, you might want to check out your Dollar Tree and see what they have right now.